We are going to have a short discussion about the pricing strategy for export items, analysis for estimating market potential. Here are the 5 important export pricing strategies used in international marketing.
Skimming pricing strategy. A pricing strategy in which exporter charges a very high price initially in order to recover the cost incurred on high promotional expenditure, research and development, etc., is known as a skimming pricing strategy. After exploiting the rich market, the exporter can gradually decrease the price in order to increase his market share. Penetration pricing strategy. A pricing strategy in which an exporter charges a very low price initially in order to get hold of the market and drive away competitors is known as penetration pricing strategy. Sometimes, such a strategy is referred to as dumping. This strategy is suitable for the items of mass consumption. Transfer pricing. Transfer pricing refers to the pricing of goods transferred from one subsidiary to another or to the parent company. Due to this, profits of one subsidiary are transferred to another subsidiary or to the parent company. Transfer pricing decisions are affected by factors such as differences in tax and tariff rates, foreign exchange restrictions, and import restrictions. Marginal cost pricing. Marginal cost is the cost of producing one extra unit of a product. Under this approach, an exporter simply considers a variable cost or direct cost while arriving at the price to be charged in the international market, and fixed costs are fully recovered from the domestic market. Competitors' pricing. Under this method, pricing strategy of dominant competitors is taken into consideration while arriving at the pricing decisions. A price leader is the firm, which initiates the price trends in the market. However, if the competitor's pricing policy is faulty, the followers will also land up with wrong pricing.